Morning student, welcome to Gyanjyoti online classes. Class 9, the lesson, the book, moments, chapter number 4, and topic is in the kingdom of fools. Kingdom of fools. Kingdom, king is the head of the kingdom, okay? And if king is foolish, the whole kingdom suffer a lot. So better wise one child far better than 100 foolish children. So I can see in this story how foolishness can bring nonsense things and false, mystic, wrong judgment. Foolishness is the cause of different problems in all the person, and everyone suffers a lot. We shall see according to the lesson how foolishness is to suffer a lot. Okay, let's start. In the kingdom of fools, both the king and minister were idiots. King and minister, idiot means foolish. As they were foolish, whole kingdom was destroyed by them. It's okay. So, what the region let discuss thereafter. They didn't want to run things like other kings. Yeah. As other kings, what they think they are opposite, something different. That is what the different. So they decided to change night to day, day to night. Yeah, means दिन का काम रात में करेंगे और रात का काम दिन में करेंगे. उल्टा चलने वाला. Because of their foolishness, they thought like that. Let's see. They ordered that everyone should be awake at night. Oh, means रात में जागना है, मतलब दिन में सोना है. Till their fields around their businesses only after dark. Yes, at night. Yes, dark is night. They have to do all their job at night. Okay, then see. And go to bed as soon as the sun came up. सुबह होते ही जाके किचन में सोने जाना है. या anyone who disobeyed will be punished with death. King's order. Those who will wander at daytime will be punished or die. They will kill them. The people did as they were told for fear of death. Death is very painful thing. So people as they feared, they thought that we have to follow the obedient rules of the king. Yeah, the king and the minister were delighted at the success of their project. They're happy that whatever we planned, that is successful. And they're so happy that day changed to night and night changed to day. Let's see. One day, a guru and his disciple arrived in the city from other place. Guru and his disciple means chela, sisya. Two persons, they came to that kingdom of police. Okay, it was a beautiful city, very nice. It was broad daylight, daytime. They reached in that city at daytime, but there was no one about. But everyone inside the house sleeping. Yeah, everyone was asleep. Not a mouse stirring. Yeah, not only human beings but also animals. Everyone had to be inside. Let's see. Even the cattle had been taught to sleep by day. Wow. The two strangers, who are they? The guru and his chela. Okay, his disciple. Two strangers were amazed by what they saw around them and wandered around town till evening. Now, whole day they are searching. That nobody was outside. Yeah, whole day they did discover the evening time. They were wandering and wandering, searching. They were hungry. They were cold. They did not get a single thing. A full day. Then see. And suddenly the whole town woke up when at the beginning time and went about its nightly businesses. Nightly business, yeah. At night they start doing their business. The two men were hungry, definitely did not eat for a whole day, definitely be hungry because suppose you take breakfast at the morning, 12 o'clock you eat food, and if you not eat then you will be hungry. So they were hungry, and what happened? Now that the shops were open, they went to buy some groceries, yeah, at the night. At night, the market was open, and now they purchased what? Groceries, food items. Let's see. To their astonishment, they found that everything cost the same. A single डूडू भी सही है करेंसी 1 रुपये मतलब 1 रुपया में कुछ भी खा सकते हो मगर 1 रुपया में तो पेट भरे खाना खाओगे फिर भी मतलब कम हो जाएगा लेट्स सी whether they bought a measure of rice or a bunch of banana all the items only 1 rupee cost yeah it cost a guru. The Guru and his disciple were delighted. Oh, they thought, wow, कोई मार्केट में बहुत सस्ता है आप 1 रुपया में पेट भर के खाना खा के आ रहे हो फिर भी पैसा खत्म नहीं हो रहा है सबसे लाइफ तो बहुत अच्छा चलेगा मतलब 1 रुपया में अगर तुम पूरा 10,000 का सामान मार्केटिंग करके आ जा रहे हो तो क्यों नहीं सोचोगे कि तुम वहाँ रहने के लिए लेट्स से So Dhruv and disciple were delighted. They had never heard of anything like this. Yeah, it is very wonderful scenery that in that city everything is very cheap. They could buy all the food they wanted for a rupee. 1 रुपये में जितना भी खरीद सकते हैं सब मिलेगा क्या ही मजा जगह है What a surprising place that they can get all the items in 1 rupee. Let's see. While they had cooked and eaten, yeah, they cooked and eaten, yeah, the Guru realized that, yeah, Guru is very intelligent, very wise person. He realized that this was a kingdom of foods. What? And it wouldn't be a good idea for them to stay there. No. You should not be in this place. ये मूर्खों का राज्य है. If you stay here, one day there will be a problem. You will suffer a lot. Yeah. But the disciple did not want to leave the place because he was really thought that इतना सस्ता में मिल रहा है तो छोड़ क्यों जाएंगे? मतलब लाइफ अच्छे से पार हो जाएगा. Yeah, that's why he thought everything was cheap here. All he wanted was good. Cheap food, the Guru said, yeah, let's see what Guru said, they are all fools. ये जितने भी राज्य में रहते सब मूर्ख हैं तुम लालच को देख के मत रहो don't try to be in this place by getting item in cheap rate this won't last very long yeah you don't think that only you will be happy here and you can't tell what they will do to you next. Any problem may arise in you. Yeah, so better you escape or skip from this place. But disciple would listen to the Guru's wisdom. Whatever Guru told, disciple listen to the Guru's words. Yeah, he wanted to stay. Why? Cheap rate, सस्ता मिल रहा है. The Guru finally gave up and said, do what you want, I am doing. Yeah, whatever you like to do, मुझे जाने दें. Let's see. And let the disciples stayed on at his fill every day. Oh, सस्ता है इसलिए खाते जा रहा है, इतना खाते जा रहा है कि bananas and ghee and rice and wheat and grew fat like a street side sacred bull. रोड में जो होने वाले जो पवित्र जो सांड है became very huge in size. ना सस्ता सूची धूप खा रहा है चेला disciple became a very huge figure because of all items were in cheap rate. Yeah? One bright day, a thief broke into day, not right. क्योंकि ये सब मूर्खों का देश है, the day of police. That's why daytime thieving चोरी रात में होता है लेकिन चोरी दिन में हुआ. क्यों? क्योंकि रात में हम लोग काम करते हैं, दिन में सोते हैं. One bright day, he broke into rich merchant's house. एक चोर ने बड़ा अमीर व्यवसायी के घर में घुसा. Yeah, one thief entered into the house of a rich merchant house. Yeah, he had made a hole in that wall. वो चोर जैसे घुसा है कि उस वॉल में क्या कर रहा है, होल किया to enter into the house. He had made a hole in the wall and sneaked in. Sneak means enter without any permission. He entered. Let's see. And as he was carrying out his loot means stealing items. Yeah, he entered the room and bringing the items from this hole, the wall of the old house collapsed. Collapse means broke down, fall down. इसका दीवार क्या हो गया? गिर गया. On his head and killed him on the spot. Here this thief then and there. The thief died then and there. His brother ran to the king and complained, "Your my highness, when my brother was pursuing his ancient trade, the war fell on him and killed him." महाराज, मेरा जो भाई है एंशिएंट है, पुरानी जमाने का पैसा रखा था. देखिए मूर्ख देश में सब कुछ मूर्खता चलता है कि पुराने क्या परसुइंग हिज एंशिएंट है, वो चोरी करना नहीं गया था. वो अपना पुरानी जमाने का जो कुछ रखा हुआ खजाना वो ढूंढने के लिए गया था. नॉट टोल्ड दैट माय ब्रदर वाज a thief. You are searching the ancient trade. Yeah. And wall fall down and killed him. दीवार ने मेरे भाई को मार दिया. This merchant is too big man. क्या? जिस merchant ने the merchant who has made this wall, he is planted because of this merchant was fall down. My brother died. Yeah, he should have built a good strong wall. उसको अच्छा दीवार बनाना चाहिए था. You must punish the wrongdoer. Yeah, गुनहगार, wrongdoer means here who is the wrongdoer, merchant, and compensate means to pay back. Compensate means to pay back the family for this injustice. कि मेरा भाई जो मर गया है उसकी भरपाई अन्याय के लिए क्या किया जाए, उसकी जितना नुकसान हुआ है उसको पूरा किया जाए. My lord, do something. The king said, justice will be done. Don't worry. And at once summoned the owner of the house. Yeah? Let's see. Then he ordered the owner of the house. Who is the owner of the house? Merchant. go and bring this merchant, as because of him, this poor person who fall down in this wall and died, let him be punished. Okay. When the merchant arrived, the king questioned him, what's your name? Such and such, your highness. Now he told the name. Were you at home when that man burgled your house? या तुम घर में गए जब भी तो वो आदमी जो मर गया है तुम्हारे घर घुसा था पुरानी खजाने के लिए? Yeah, yes, my lord. He broke in, and the wall was weakened around him. Yeah, he broke his center in the wall, and the wall was not strong. The wall fell down, and this person died. Yeah, the accused pleads guilty. Your wall killed this man's brother. Yeah, the accused pleads guilty means accused means the person blames that you were the person you have done mischief. What? Your wall killed this man's brother. Yes, you have murdered a man. कि तुम क्या किए हो? एक आदमी को मार दिए हो. क्या होना चाहिए? You had to, we had to punish you. The king ordered, king told to the merchant that because of you, this person died. Lord, said the headless merchant, I did not put up the wall. It's really the fault of the man who built the wall. It's not my fault. Those person who made the wall, it is his fault, not my fault. Why are you telling me to not blame is giving me punishment? If you would like to punish the person who has made the wall, he did not build it right, you should punish him. Then king thought, yeah, he's correct. Whatever he is telling is correct. It's not his fault, it's the fault of the my son. The fault of the person who has made the wall. Let's see who is there. King ordered, my lord, this wall was built in my father's time, not now. मेरे पापा के जमाने में बिल्डिंग बना है. I know the man who made this wall. Okay, he's an old man now. He lives nearby. I know आसपास रहता है. If you tell, I will call this person who has made this wall. Yeah. Then see, the king sent out messengers to bring in a bricklayer who had built the wall. Bricklayer, yeah, जो दीवार बनाने वाला वो बुलाया गया तो वो आया. Let's see, they brought him, tied hand and foot, हाथ पैर को बांध के उसको ले आए. किसको? ईंट जोड़ने वाला. Let's see, you there? Did you build this man's wall in his father's time? Yeah, क्या ये दीवार को बनाए? Yes, my lord, I did. I made this wall. What kind of a wall is this that you built? कैसा घटिया दीवार तुम बनाए थे? He has fallen on a poor man and killed him. कि बेचारा गरीब उस दीवार में टूट गया तो मर गया. हेलो poor man, चोर को भी राजा चोर को भी poor man बोलता है. You can understand the story. How finished judgment of the king is. You have murdered him. You had to punish. We have to punish you by death. Yes, my son. Yes, bricklayer. Sajaye mob will punish you, or he will murder you. Let's see. Let's see. Then what happened? Before the king could order the execution is model or that hanging. Let's see. The poor bricklayer pleaded. He requested. What he told? Please listen to me before you give your orders. Excuse me. It's true. I built this wall and it was no good. Yeah, I accept. But this was that was because my mind was not on it. मेरा मन इधर चल जा रहा था, विचलित हो रहा था. Yeah. I remember very well dancing girl who was going up and down the street all day with his ankles jiggling, and I could not keep my eye or my mind on the wall I was building. Now I taking the wall, and a single one walking very smartly, and its ankles made the sound, jingling sound. My mind not concentrate on this wall, but that lady, the dancing girl. Then what happened? And I could not keep my mind on the wall I was building. We must get that dancing girl. क्योंकि उस लड़की की that girl who was dancing, my mind distracted. I did not give good more mind to this wall. I saw that the dancing girl and I made the wrong wall. I know where she lives. Then राजा का माइंड उधर चले गया. Right. The case depends. We must look into it. It is not easy to judge such complicated case. Let's get the dancer wherever she is. Yeah? उस डांसर कहेंगे उसको ले जाइए, उसको सजा दे रहा है डांसर. Now an old lady, old woman can traveling through the court. या उन महिला जो बुढ़ी हो चुकी है वो थरथराते हुए लड़खड़ाते हुए आती है. Did you walk up and down the street many years ago? या क्या उसी रास्ते में तुम जो दीवार बनाया था मैं सब तुम जा रहे थे और आ रहे थे? While the poor man was building the wall, did you see? Did you see him? Yes, my lord. Dancing girl told, yes, my lord. I remember it very well. Yeah. So you did walk up and down. Yes, तुम वहाँ पर जा रहे थे आ रहे थे. With red ceilings और एंगल का जो साउंड आ रहा था, या you were young and you distracted him. बहुत जवान महिला थी और उसकी नजर तुम्हारे पर गिरा और उसने गलत दीवार बनाया. उसके लिए गुनहगार तुम हो. Distracted means to divert the attention of. So he built a bad wall. He fell on a poor burglar. Oh, burglar. Do you know burglar means कि गरीब चोर के ऊपर गिर गया और वो मर गया. And killed him. You have killed an innocent man. You will have to be punished. This is the order of the king. Yeah. She thought for a minute and said, she had a moment and said, what would you say or what not? Then after said, my lord, this lady told, my lord, which I know. Now, I was walking up and down the street. तुमको जानना है कि मैं इस रास्ते में क्यों जा रहा था और आ रहा था. दिमाग में वो रास्ते में मैं बार-बार क्यों जा रहा था? Do you know my problem? Must be some my problem. Yes, I had given some gold to the goldsmith to make some jewelry for me. Yes, इस डांसिंग गर्ल बोली कि मैं सोना दी थी कुछ सुनारी को कुछ मेरा ज्वेलरी बनाने के लिए. Let's see. I had given some gold to the goldsmith to make some jewelry for him. For me, he was a lazy scoundrel, a lazy, very brilliant, all worthless person, all the bad person that he did not do. Yeah, he made so many excuses. He told that okay, you will come next day, you will not come now. He had many excuses. So बनाने रहा था, तो आज नहीं कल, and he would give it now and he would give it then and so on all day. इतना लंबा समय खींच लिया. He made me walk up and down to his house a dozen times. इसी के बाद उसका जा रही थी. I was going and I coming. I was going and I coming. Again I was doing. And this mason saw me. This bricklayer saw me. Yeah. Let's see. He made me walk up and down of his house a dozen times. That was when this bricklayer saw me. It's not my fault, my lord. It's the damned goldsmith's fault. इस सुनारी है उसका गलती है. देखिए मर्चेंट ने बोला ब्रिक्सलेयर को, ब्रिक्सलेयर टोल्ड डांसिंग गर्ल एंड डांसिंग गर्ल टोल्ड गोल्डस्मिथ, मर्चेंट टोल्ड ब्रिक्सलेयर, ब्रिक्सलेयर, the ब्रिक्सलेयर टोल्ड डांसिंग गर्ल and dancing girl told goldsmith, एक दूसरे को आप कर रहे हैं, मर्चेंट टू ब्रिक्सलेयर, ब्रिक्सलेयर टू डांसिंग गर्ल टू गोल्डस्मिथ, यहाँ पर मतलब वो अपना गलती नहीं है, दूसरे को दिखा रहा है। चला now more thing, she is absolutely right, दरअसल सही वाली बोल रही है, ये सोनाली उस नाचने नर्तकी को बहुत परेशान किया है। More things is absolutely right for the king, waking the evidence. We have got the real culprit at last. Culprit means the person at fault for a problem of crime. सही गुनहगार, yeah, culprit. We have finally found the real culprit, this goldsmith, and because of this goldsmith, the person died because of wall falling. Okay, get the goldsmith wherever he is hiding at once. This is the order of the king. Let's see. The king's bags, king's officers, workers search for the goldsmith who was hiding in the corner of his shop. वो अपना जान बचाते हुए दुकान कोने में छिप गया। When he heard the accusation against him, he had his own story to tell. तो सुना जो अपना कहानी बताना। What the goldsmith told her, my lord, he said, I am a poor goods. It's true, I made this dancing cup many times to my door. मैं इतनी मजबूर थी क्या इस dancing girl को मेरे घर में बार-बार आने के लिए I made her. Yeah, that's true. I gave her excuses because I could not finish making her jewelry before I finished the rich merchant's order. क्योंकि मेरी dancing girl जब आई थी अपना सोना का गहना बनाने के लिए, उसी टाइम में मर्चेंट भी आया था अपना गहना बनाने के लिए, वो उसने मुझे जबरदस्ती किया, पहले मुझे मेरा बनाइए। Let's see कि once I read that I finished the rich man's merchant's order. I had to finish this merchant's order first. Yeah, they had a wedding coming कि उनके घर में शादी होने वाला था, उन लोग मुझे मजबूर किए, and they wouldn't wait. That was urgent, so I was able to make the jewelry of dancing girl. You know how impatient rich men are. क्या तुम जानते हो अमीर लोग कितना आगे अधैर्य रहते हैं? How impatient rich men are. Who is this rich man? Which merchant who kept you from finishing this whole woman's jewelry? Now Madam Sami, बोले कि वो merchant कौन है इसको बुलाइए? Who is this rich merchant who kept you from finishing this poor woman's jewelry? मैं जहाँ walk up and down because this merchant really was again coming to this world. Who is this merchant? Call that person. Yeah, who is distracted this bricklayer because of this lady walking and this bricklayer made a wrong wall and because of wall fall and the poor woman died. Yeah, who distracted this bricklayer which made a mess of his wall. Yeah, very wrong of the wall. Then see which has now fallen on an innocent man. Yeah, innocent man is fallen down and killed him. Can you name him? Who is that merchant? Oh, you don't go to goldsmith. The goldsmith named the merchant, and he was none other than the original owner of the house whose wall was fallen. वो merchant वही था जो जिसके घर का दीवार बनाया गया था। आखिर यहाँ पे जो merchant था वही merchant जिसका दीवार टूट गया, वही इंजीनियर कहानी उसके पास आ गया। Now justice had come full circle. But justice come in full circle. आखिर में सही गुनहगार को मैं पा गया. The king understood that when he was rudely summoned back to the court, he arrived crying, "It was not me." Now let's see. As he was ordered by the king, yes, when he was rudely summoned back to the town, king ordered to this merchant for the punishment because of these merchants. At the time, he came and asked to the king what he told. It was not me, but my father who ordered the jewelry. A man, मेरे पापा के समय में वो ऑर्डर दिए थे इस ज्वेलरी के लिए कि मैं इसके लिए गुनहगार नहीं हूँ, मेरे पापा हैं. Who ordered the jewelry? He died. I am innocent. Actual culprit is my father. राजन बोला मेरे पापा के समय में हुआ था, इसके गुनहगार मैं नहीं हूँ. कौन है? मेरे पापा हैं. But the king consulted his minister and ruled decisively. It's true your father is the true murderer. Yeah, तुम्हारे पापा ही गुनहगार हैं. He died. But somebody must be punished in his place. उसके जगह में तो किसी को सजा मिलना पड़ेगा. You have inherited everything from that criminal father of yours is papi या गुनहगार. पापा का ही तुम तो बच्चे हो. You are the inherited. You are the his child. Yeah. Let's see. His riches as well as his sins. वो जितना भी धन का भी मालिक तुम हो और उसका गुनाह का भी सजा तुम्हारे ऊपर होगा. As you enjoy his property, in the same way, punish of his missin. Yeah, I knew at once, even when I first set eyes on you. जैसे मैं देखा समझ गया. You are the person to be punished. Yes, that you were at the root of this horrible crime. उस गुनाह का सबसे बड़ा जड़ main cause of this crime is you are merchant. You must die. This is the order of the king. And he ordered a new step to be made ready for the execution as the servant sharpened the stacks. उसको फांसी ले तो क्या है? स्टैक बनाना है और इसमें फांसी में लटका देना है. देखिए तो फिर क्या होता है? As the servant sharpened the stack and got it ready for the final inquiry of the criminal, it occurred the minister that the rich merchant was somehow too thin to be properly executed on the stand. लेकिन वो लोग बनाने वाले बड़ा सामान लिए और यहाँ पर उसको घुसाए तो वो स्टेप क्या हो गया? बड़ा हो गया. वो आदमी छोटा हो गया. तो फांसी में लटकाने के लिए सेटिंग नहीं हो पाया. देखिए, too thin to be properly executed on the stake. He appealed to the king's common sense. The king too worried about it. राजा ने मुझसे बताया इतना बड़ा है इसको फांसी देना मुश्किल हो जा रहा है. तो राजा ने सोचा what shall we do? बना तो दिए हैं लेकिन फांसी दे नहीं पा रहे हैं. He said when suddenly struck him that all they needed to do was to find a fat man and not to feed the stand. Big outstretched. इस शहर में सबसे मोटा इंसान कौन है? उसको हम ढूंढेंगे, उसको फांसी में लगा देंगे. Yeah, the servant will immediately send all over the town looking for a man who would feed the stand. Now they are searching. In this foolish kingdom, the guru's disciple had come और खा के कितना बड़ा हो गया मालूम है? Like a sacred bull on the street. रोड में घूमने वाला सांड जैसे मोटा हो गया है. And their eyes follow on the disciple who had fattened himself for months on bananas and rice and wheat and ghee. इतना खा के he became so fat. उसको पा गए और उसको लेकर आ गए. What have I Done wrong. I'm innocent. I'm a सन्यासी. मैं क्या गलती किया हूँ जो मुझे फांसी लगा के आई हो? मजा पड़ा है कि इससे ऐसा सबसे मोटा इंसान को देखिए फांसी लगा दी। गुनाह को सजा है। He cried, I am not doing anything. Why are you taking me to punishment? Okay, that may be true, but it's the royal decree, royal order of the king that we should find a man fat enough to feed the stag. ये daughter of king सबसे मोटा को ढूंढना है. You are fit to be, but it's okay. They said and carried him to the place of execution. Okay, उसको फांसी की जगह ले गए. He remembered his wise guru's words. This is a city of fools. What type of city is this? City of fools. You don't know what they will do next. Yeah, तुमको पता नहीं कि उन लोग क्या करेंगे. While he was waiting for death, he prayed to his guru in his heart, asking him to hear his cry wherever he was. The guru saw everything in a vision. गुरु दर्शन में देख लिए कि अपना चेला तड़प रहा है. He had magic powers. He could see far. गुरु को देख सकते थे जिसको अपने मैजिक से. And he could see the future as he could see the present and see the past. Future और past को देख सकते थे. He appeared, arrived at once to save his disciple. तुरंत ही वो आ गए अपना शिष्य को बचाने के लिए. Who had got himself into such a scrape for love of food. या खाना की लालच में आके किसी फांसी में फंस गया है. Yeah, then Guru came to save the disciple. As soon as he arrived, he scolded the disciple because of foolishness and told him something in a whisper. Guru, शिष्य को कान में धीरे से कुछ बता रहा है. क्या? Then he went to the king and asked him, "Oh wisest of kings, oh महाकाली राजा, who is greater, the Guru or the disciple?" Who is greater? Guru. Of course, the Guru, no doubt about it. Why do you ask? King asks, क्यों पूछ रहे हो मुझे? Then put me to the step first. मैं अगर बड़ा हूँ तो पहले मुझे फांसी दीजिए. उसके बाद शिष्य को देना. Put my disciple death after me. Second में मैंने शिष्य को फांसी में लगाना. पहले मुझे लगा दीजिए फांसी में. When the disciple heard this, he understood and began to clamor me fast. मिनिस्टर बोल रहा है कि मुझे फांसी में लगा. Sorry, that disciple told them, मुझे फांसी में लगा दो. Now Guru and Chela, Guru and disciple, they are fighting with each other to be hanged on this. Okay, step. You brought me here first. Who to be to death first? Not me. Both of them, they are quarreling each other. The Guru and the disciple now got into the fight about who should God fast. The king was puzzled by his behavior. He asked the Guru, "Why do you want to die now?" Guru wanted to ask, "Why you are fighting so?" He chose him because he needed a fat man for the step. Now, the king didn't understand that sort of like that. You should not ask me such a question. Put me that fast. Now they asked. He replied the Guru. Okay, Guru replied like that. Why? There is some mystery here. As a wise man, you must make me understand. Yeah? Make me understand now. Then after what happened? Will you promise me to the death if I tell you? Yeah? If I tell the truth, can you tell me? Can you first send me to the arrest? Is death? The Guru told, asked the Guru. The king gave him his sonam sword. Okay, king told yes. Okay, I will. The Guru took him aside and took out of the servant's sword and whispered to him, "Do you know why we want to die right now? The two of us, क्या चुनाव हम दोनों क्यों फांसी में लटकना चाहते हैं? We have been all over the world, but we have never found a city like this. पहले ऐसा राज्य हम नहीं जानते थे. Or the king like you, ऐसे राजा, that you step is the step of the God of justice. इस फांसी हमारे लिए बहुत ही आशीर्वाद है. Step of justice न्याय है. It is new. It has never had a criminal on it. इसमें कोई ऐसे नहीं मरे हैं. We were died on it first will be reborn. इसमें जो मरेगा पहले reborn is the king of this king country. इस country का पहला क्या हो जाएगा? राजा हो जाएगा. Who will be who's next will be the future minister of this country. Second में जो मरेगा उस राजा का मंत्री बन जाएगा. Yeah, we are sick of our ascetic life, means this holy life. Yeah, as this sadhu life. It would be nice to enjoy ourselves as king and minister for a while. Now keep your word, my Lord, and put us to death. Me first remember. You do. Yeah, the king was now thrown into the thought. Raja सोचने पड़ गया. He did not want to lose the kingdom to someone else in the next round of life. दुनिया मरने के बाद पुनर्जन्म अगर होता है तो इस राज्य को मुझे खोना नहीं है. राजा से सोचा. He needed time, so he ordered the execution postponed it to the next day. उस फांसी को एक दिन हटा दिया and talk in strict secret with his ministers. It is not right. Yeah, for us to give our the kingdom to others in the next life. दूसरे लाइफ में मरने के बाद हम उनको राज्य दूसरे को नहीं देंगे. Let's go on to the step ourselves and we will be born as king and minister once again. हम दोनों एक फांसी में लग जाते हैं और एक बार फिर से पैदा होंगे राजा बनने के लिए. Holy man do not tell lies. साधु लोग झूठ नहीं बोलते हैं. He said I am the minister agreed. Okay. So he told the executioner, we will send the criminals tonight. Okay. criminal को भगा देंगे. And when the first man comes to you, would he do the death first? Then do the same to the second man. Those are my orders. Don't make any mistake. या पहले वाला जो आता है उसको चढ़ाना, सेकंड में उसको और मारना. Let's see. The night the king and minister went secretly to the prison. गुप्त में चले गए in the secret dress. Release the women disciple. उनको भगा दिए. तुम भगो. Disguise themselves as the two and as arranged before and with loyal servants were taken to the stake and promptly executed. The king and the minister were executed means hanged on this stake. दोनों कुछ फांसी में चढ़ के मर गए. When the bodies were taken down to the throne to throw it, vultures, the people panicked. Finally, दोनों को जब फेंकने में गए, दोनों बॉडी को they saw it was nothing but their what? Their own king and minister. They saw before them the dead bodies of the king and minister. The city was in confusion. Without king, no kingdom. They were confused. At night they mourned and discussed the future of the kingdom. They सोचे कि हमारा राज्य का भविष्य क्या होगा. राजा नहीं है. Some people suddenly thought of the guru and the disciple and caught up with them as they were preparing to leave town on notice. They thought that एक गुरु और चेला, the disciple, जो आए हैं वो लोग ही समझदार हैं. वो लोग बोले जाने से पहले इनको रोक दिए. या और क्या बोले? We people need a king and a minister. हमको राजा और मंत्री की जरूरत है. Let's see. Said some others agreed. They begged the guru and disciple to be their king and their minister. The guru and chela, they told that to make you our king and minister. He did not take any arguments to persuade the disciple. The disciple agreed in one chance, but guru thought a time. But it took longer to persuade me divert the mind of the person. The guru, they finally agreed to rule the kingdom of the foolish king and silly minister. Finally, they agreed to rule this foolish kingdom, ruled by the foolish king and foolish minister, on the condition that they would change all the old law. Yeah, old law should be changed. Night should be night and day should be day. Night will sleep and day will walk. Okay. From then on, night would again be night and day would again be day, and you could get nothing for a guru, became like any other place. Finally, in this conclusion of the story, this guru and disciple became the ruler of this kingdom. They changed law, they changed everything. Yeah, finally, foolishness of the king and this minister, his story was Okay, just like that, I in this lesson, you should be wise. Now, not to be fool like this, who is king and mister to finally they die themselves. I hope that lesson may inspire you to be wise, to be smart in study and everything. And I hope you have understood the story. Have a good day. Okay. Goodbye.